What's up, y'all? One more video today. Again, you guys are going to be on Desmos today. I have an extension activity that I'm hoping will be fun. It's looking at the number of pennies that fit in a circle, and you guys are going to have to figure out what sort of pattern that is modeling. So that'll be on the next slide, but I wanted to go over the rewind real quick. On the left-hand side, this was an area problem. And remember, in order to find the area of a rectangle, you're going to have to do base times height. Okay, this problem gives us a base, it's x. It gives us a height, it's x minus 3. And in order for us to solve it, it also gives us an area. So when we plug all that stuff in, we have area, 40, equals base times height. Okay, and once we get it this far, we're going to have to distribute in our x. That gives us x squared minus 3x. Move our 40 over, and all of a sudden we have an equation here that we can solve using Xbox. Okay, the two solutions you get should be x equals 8 and x equals -5, right? And if you plug either one of those numbers in here for x, 8 and 8, or -5 and -5, either way, you're going to get 40 as your area. But in this problem, only one of those answers really makes sense. It doesn't really make sense for us to have a negative distance. So -5 doesn't really make sense as much. The answer 8 is a much more sensible answer for this problem, right? 8 along the top here, 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 times 8 does give us an area of 40, right? And we solved that using Xbox. Okay, and then I wanted to jump over here and look at a problem from way back in Skill 10. Hopefully you remember parallel and perpendicular. This equation asked for a perpendicular line. And so what that means is we start with a slope of 1 over 3. And in order to make that parallel, we have to flip the fraction, which makes it 3 over 1, or just 3. And we also have to flip the sign. So this was positive. Our new one's going to be negative. Okay, so we have a slope of -3. Then we're going to come back to this equation that we used a bunch. That's the equation for a line, y equals mx plus b. This is our new slope, -3. So we're going to plug that in right here. And then we just have to plug in x and y. This problem gives us an x. Remember, that goes over here. And it gives us a y as well. Okay, and then we can solve that through. Boop. Oh, I made a goof. Okay, when we multiply these together, we get -9. Add 9 to both sides, we get 6 as our y-intercept. But we are not done yet. Remember, we have to plug everything back into a y equals mx plus b type equation. We just found our b value. It's 6. Okay, and the slope is that new one that we found when we flipped our fraction, flipped our sign. So our final answer here should be y equals -3x plus 6. Okay, good luck with the Desmos thing. It's one I haven't tried before, so I hope you guys enjoy it. It's supposed to be a little bit of a challenge. If you get super confused, don't sweat that one too much. I'm much more concerned that you were able to do the one we did yesterday with the matching, and you have a good handle on all of the different solving techniques we can do with quadratic equations, and also finding the vertex and y-intercept. Okay, yeah, give the one today a shot though. I'm hoping it's fun for you guys, and I will see you guys in person on Wednesday for 7th grade, Thursday for 7th grade, and Friday for 8th grade. Yeah, hope you guys have a great day.